You're wondering what IO-Link is?
Yeah?
What it can do? How you can benefit from it?
Exactly.
Yeah? Well then, listen up.
Okay.
You work with sensors.
Yeah?
With actuators.
Exactly.
You're having difficulties establishing contact to both of them at the field level.
How did you know?
You have no communication between the field level and the control level. Down to the last meter, you can't even see your sensors and actuators anymore because of all the cables.
Don't tell me about it.
You've often grabbed for the screwdriver only to rub your hands raw.
And it hurts.
You've grown tired of having to shut down half of the company just because a sensor is acting up. And so, you're fed up with configuring your sensors and actuators based on rule-of-thumb estimates.
Exactly.
But you'd like to know how your sensor is doing at all times, what it's up to at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
And particularly how long it can keep going.
You said it.
In this case, before it's too late.
Oops.
In short, you're increasingly frustrated that your sensors are doing work that can't be monitored. That they do what they want, not what you want.
Exactly.
It doesn't have to be that way, because now there is IO-Link. With IO-Link, that famous last meter becomes a racetrack for data, facts, information, and commands.
That's interesting.
IO-Link turns your sensors and actuators into true chatterboxes. IO-Link turns sensors and actuators into co-workers who do what you tell them.
Oh, finally.
And if you want a sensor to do something else, you can change the parameters while the system is still running.
Really? That's great.
And you want to know how the wiring works?
Okay.
If you can do this,
Yeah.
then you're perfectly capable of installing IO-Link on your devices.
But that's easy.
It saves time. Spares your nerves.
Oh, my nerves.
And cuts back on sensor types.
Hey.
Not to mention the new possibilities it opens up for machine design.
Hey.
That's IO-Link. Universal. Smart. Easy.